perforated closure must be fixed to the underside of all vertical battens above the window head. A connection profile must be cut, levelled and fixed into the rear of the window head reveal abutting the window frame. Cut a cedral plank to size, ensuring 20mm of the perforated closure is left visible for ventilation purposes. Slot the cut edge into the connection profile and fix into place with a colour-coded cedral screw. The vertical Cedral Click external corner profiles must be cut to accept the window lintel profile at the required height. The external corner profiles will also support the Cedral plank that will be placed above the window. The window lintel profile is then positioned, levelled and fixed using Cedral Click screws. Fit the next plank into the lintel profile and continue fitting the Cedral planks using the Cedral clips and screws.